Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset or recover your Facebook account from the Facebook website. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.facebook.com and hit enter. Once the login page of Facebook opens up on your screen, just below the login button, you'll see a forgot password option. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the forgot password option, you'll be guided to another page. This is the Find Your Account menu of Facebook. For you to find your account, you'll have to fill in your email or mobile number here and then click on search. Once you click on search, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to recover your account on Facebook. I hope this video helped you to recover your account on Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.